I'm gonna go over what I got done this sprint, this last week. So I have the stack of all the completed user stories. So I got a key to the Kik. So, because for my title as a Kik advisor, which is right here in green. This will get me into the Kik whenever I need to be in there, whether it's for TAing or for just running maintenance or running open hours. I sat down with Miss Hux as a college intern to figure out what she wants from me for this year and put together a preliminary plan. Like, for example, we discussed and we're gonna start planning out a spring college fair that we're gonna invite a bunch of other schools to and a whole lot of colleges, hopefully. I made a Strategizer account and I watched a series of videos on value proposition and designing value propositions. I'll tell you more about that in the future when I know more about it. I'm still very new to this, and so I finished that off, which was a good learning experience. I watched the videos on the From Idea to Business section of the Strategizer website that taught me how to, the basics of the Strategizer and Scrum business model, which is what I'm going to be basing my enterprise off of. I figured out my title for the Kik, which is a Kik advisor. So I'm not a prefect, I'm not a teacher, but I'm advisor to the teacher and prefect. And I believe there's probably going to be a one year thing because of my history and familiarity with the Kik itself. I had a meeting with the faculty I'm a TA for. That's Mr. Sanford, Mr. Valinsky, and Mr. Bennett, to figure out what they want from me as a TA and how best to help them. And I actually had those TA classes today, and they went very well, I have to say. I created my Strategizer account. I bought and started reading a copy of a book known as The Obstacle is the Way. This user story here was for having a copy of the book itself. We figured out how I'm going to access this room itself, which is Wixom 301. And we were originally going to go with a key, but due to the lack of anything really valuable being kept in here, we decided it'd just be best to have the door open at all times so I can come in and work in the space whenever I feel I need to. I unpacked my room and got my room organized, and for once it's actually staying clean, which I'm surprised about for myself. I learned my class schedule and put my whole everyday schedule into the timetable app on my cell phone. I would show you that, but my cell phone is in the wood shop right now.
Cool.
And that is all. Thank you very much.